I had no idea what I was walking into when I first came here. So I originally came here for the first time because I had just moved here from LA. We got one of those like welcome to the neighborhood kind of deals, and my boyfriend handed it to me, told me I should go, said he would pay for everything. So I said, hey, why not? If you're gonna pay for something, let me go take advantage of this. So yeah, I initially came in for a facial with April and a massage with Faith. My facial, this was the first facial I've ever had, just because I just never had the privilege to go and get a facial before, and I never felt like I had to, so it was like a great first time. I didn't know she was the owner, but just, after asking a few questions about what the procedures were going to be like, because it was my first time, I didn't know what procedures were going to be done, what service she was going to perform on me, what I needed. So she was very willing and very it was really easy to get answers out of her, I guess. It was just like a really easy flow conversation that I had with her, and yeah, we just ended up hitting it off, and I had a great facial. It was like super relaxing, and I didn't know what to expect, but it was amazing, a facial. One thing that I didn't know that I needed was the dermaplane. And she explained to me what that was, I had no idea what it was. I love skincare, and so I always thought I didn't need to have a facial just because I knew how to take care of my skin. I knew when it's super dry, when it needs to be more hydrated, and when I need to add more product to keep that hydration. For me, my most issue is hydration in my face. And so, especially here, moving here from California, the air quality is so different. And I noticed right away when I moved here that my skin was a little bit drier. So after the facial that I got, I did feel a lot of hydration, a lot of rejuvenation, and I did feel moisture being locked in there. I also did get products that were recommended to me, so I really appreciated all of that too.
How was your facial?
It was so nice. I'm super relaxed. I feel super refreshed too.
Good,
Yeah.
good.
It's a really nice facial.
Rejuvenating?
Very rejuvenating. So I'm super relaxed. I didn't know what to say.